Arranging a furniture delivery.
Good morning. City Home Furniture. How can I help you?
Good morning. I bought a desk yesterday and I would like to arrange delivery.
Certainly. Do you have your order number?
Yes. It is D2846.
Thank you. Let me check that. D2846. Yes, I can see the order here. It is a wooden study desk.
That's right.
What day would you like the desk delivered?
Is Thursday possible?
Thursday is fully booked. We have Friday morning or Saturday afternoon available.
Friday morning is better.
Good. The delivery window is between 9 and 12.
That is fine.
May I confirm the delivery address?
Yes. It is flat 12, 38, Milton Road.
Is that Milton Road near the park?
Yes, near the park entrance.
And what is the postcode?
It is MK4, 7BT.
Could you repeat the last part?
7BT, B as in Bravo, T as in Tango.
Thank you. Do you live on the ground floor?
No, I live on the 3rd floor.
Is there a lift in the building?
Yes, there is a lift.
Good. There is no extra charge if the lift is working.
Okay. How much is the delivery fee?
Standard delivery is £15, but because your order is over £200, the delivery is free.
Great.
Can I have your phone number for the driver?
Yes. It is 07461 305 992.
Let me repeat that. 07461 305 992.
Yes, correct.
What name should we put on the delivery?
My name is Nabil Qureshi.
Could you spell your surname, please?
Yes. Qureshi.
Thank you. The driver will call you 30 minutes before arrival.
Good. Do I need to show anything?
Please show your order receipt when the desk arrives.
I have it on my phone.
That is fine. Your delivery is confirmed for Friday morning, between 9 and 12.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Registering for a weekend workshop.
Good morning. Bright Skills Training Center. How can I help you?
Good morning. I saw an advertisement for your weekend photography workshop, and I would like to ask about it.
Of course. The workshop is for beginners, so you do not need any previous experience.
That's good. What day is it held?
It is held on Saturday, the 22nd of August.
Is it a full-day workshop?
No, it runs from 10:15 in the morning until 2:45 in the afternoon.
Okay. Where does it take place?
It takes place in Studio 3 at the Bright Skills Training Center.
Is the studio easy to find?
Yes. It is on the 2nd floor, next to the computer lab.
What will we learn in the workshop?
You will learn camera settings, basic lighting, and simple photo editing.
Do I need to bring my own camera?
If you have a camera, please bring it. If not, we can lend you one for the session.
Great. How much does the workshop cost?
The normal price is £65, but there is a student discount. With the discount, it is £50.
I am a student, so that helps.
Good. May I take your details to reserve a place?
Yes, please.
What is your full name?
My name is Adil Farooq.
Could you spell your surname?
Yes. Farooq.
Thank you. And your phone number?
It is 07625 814 660.
Let me repeat that. 07625 814 660.
Yes, that's correct.
What is your email address?
It is adil.photo@mail.com.
Thank you. Your booking code is W5072.
W5072. Okay.
Please arrive 15 minutes early, so we can check your student card.
No problem. Should I bring anything else?
Please bring a notebook and a fully charged phone.
A notebook and a charged phone. Got it.
Your place is reserved. Payment can be made on the day.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Booking a weekend trip.
Good afternoon. City Travel Agency. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I would like some information about weekend trips by coach.
Certainly. Are you interested in a city trip, a beach trip, or a countryside trip?
A countryside trip, please. I want something quiet.
We have a weekend trip to Lakeford Village. It is popular with students and families.
That sounds nice. When does the next trip leave?
The next trip leaves on Saturday, the 6th of September.
What time does the coach leave?
The coach leaves at 8:20 in the morning from Central Bus Station.
And what time does it return?
It returns on Sunday evening at 6:45.
Okay. How much is the trip?
The normal price is £75, but there is an early booking price of £60 if you book today.
I will book today then.
Good. The price includes coach travel and one night at a guest house.
Does it include meals?
It includes breakfast on Sunday, but lunch and dinner are not included.
That's fine. Where exactly is the guest house?
It is on Hill Road, near the village square.
Do I need to bring anything special?
Please bring comfortable shoes and a rain jacket.
Okay. Can I reserve one place?
Yes. May I have your full name?
My name is Imran Shah.
Could you spell your surname?
Yes. Shah.
Thank you. And your phone number?
It is 07395 248 116.
Let me repeat that. 07395 248 116.
Yes, that is correct.
What is your email address?
It is imran.travel@mail.com.
Thank you. Your booking reference is T6308.
T6308. Got it.
Please arrive at the bus station 15 minutes before departure.
So I should arrive at 8:05.
Yes, 8:05 is best.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good evening, City Transport Lost Property Office. How can I help you?
Hello. I think I left my bag on a bus this afternoon.
I can take a report for you. What kind of bag was it?
It was a small shoulder bag.
For the form, I just need the main item type. I will write bag.
Yes, bag is fine.
And what color was it?
I would say black. Actually, no, it is not black. It is dark blue.
Dark blue. Thank you. Which bus route were you traveling on?
I thought it was the 42, but I checked the ticket on my phone. It was Route 24.
Route 24. Where do you think you lost it?
I had it when I got on near Market Road, but I noticed it was missing near Riverside Station.
So the likely location is Riverside Station.
Yes, near Riverside Station.
What time was this?
I got on the bus at about 5:15.
So 5:15.
That was when I got on. I noticed the bag was gone at about 10 to 6.
10 to 6, so 5:50.
Yes, around 5:50.
Can you tell me what was inside the bag?
There was a small notebook and a phone charger. No money, I think.
I will note notebook and charger. Now I need your name, please.
My name is Amir Khan.
Could you spell the surname?
Khan. Khan.
Thank you. And your phone number?
It is 07842 619 305.
Let me repeat that. 07842 619 305.
Correct.
If the bag is found, you can collect it from our lost property office at Central Depot. We close at 6 today, but the office opens tomorrow morning at 9:30.
Tomorrow at 9:30. That is fine.
Your report reference is L7429.
Sorry, was that L7429?
Yes. L7429.
Thank you. I will keep that number.
You are welcome. Please bring photo ID if you come to collect the bag. Good morning. Customer services. How can I help?
Hello. I want to make a complaint about an online order.
I am sorry to hear that. I can complete a complaint form for you. Do you have the order number?
Yes, it is 58342.
Order number 58342. Thank you. What item did you order?
It was a desk lamp.
I will write lamp. When was it delivered?
It was supposed to arrive on Tuesday, but it actually arrived on Wednesday.
So the delivery date was Wednesday.
Yes, Wednesday.
What was the problem with the lamp?
The box was fine, but the glass part of the lamp was cracked.
Cracked. Was anything missing from the parcel?
No, nothing was missing. It was just damaged.
I can offer a replacement lamp or a store credit of £35.
I do not want store credit. Could I get a refund instead?
Yes. The refund would be £30 because delivery was free.
That is fine. I will take the £30 refund.
Thank you. I need your name for the form.
My name is Ravi Patel.
Could you spell your surname?
Patel. Patel.
Thank you. And your address?
It is flat 18, 14 Green Street.
Did you say flat 80?
No, flat 18. 18.
Flat 18, 14, Green Street. What is the postcode?
GY4, 9PL.
GY4, 9PL. Thank you. And your phone number?
It is 07651 204 887.
07651 204 887.
Yes, that is correct.
Your complaint reference is C9156.
C9156?
Yes, C9156. You should receive the refund within 5 working days.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.